Organizations in regulated industries face rising pressure to secure data collection. For Kiteworks partners, that challenge is a growth opportunity and a chance to deliver secure digital transformation with measurable ROI. From patient intake forms to financial applications, sensitive data flows through thousands of unsecured web forms daily. Each is a potential breach, compliance fine, or sovereignty violation, and a potential consulting engagement for you. Kiteworks Secure Data Forms gives partners a turnkey platform to modernize secure data collection. It's deployable anywhere, on-prem, cloud, or hybrid, and combines enterprise-grade encryption, sovereignty control, and automated compliance monitoring. As a partner, you can build new revenue streams, from business consulting and technology implementation to managed compliance services, all powered by Kiteworks' hardened, FedRAMP-ready environment. Imagine helping a public sector client deploy forms that ensure data never leaves national borders, or enabling a healthcare provider to collect patient data securely under HIPAA, GDPR, and local privacy laws. In both cases, you deliver lasting value through ongoing compliance and managed services. Empower compliance, expand your revenue. Get started with Secure Data Forms today. If it's private, kite it. Visit kiteworks.com to learn more.